Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Our today's video about, wow! 1 year na tayo about this boy band and the song para sa pelikula last year. Subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto ka pa-like, shares, comments, reviews, at aabutin ng 500 subscribers. I-supportan natin sa ating social media pa. Latest vlog, 284 episode 284 entitled Better Place 1 year na. Here's your vlog. Okay, ito na, panoorin natin ang highlights sa last year's latest vlog. Okay, tingnan na yung bagong kanta. After 20 years of new song by NSYNC entitled Better Place for the new movie Trolls Stand Together. Yay! Congratulations, NSYNC! Stream now on Spotify and other digital platforms sa iTunes at YouTube Music. Ang kantaya ay para sa pelikula na yun November 17 in cinemas and in the Philippines. Well, the song by NSYNC and Justin Timberlake and also part of the members like JC Chasez, Lance Bass, Joey Fatone, and Chris Kirkpatrick. Kirkpatrick ba Kirkpatrick? Akala ko Kirkpatrick. Baka last name parang totoo na yun eh. Yan, Chris Kirkpatrick. NSYNC stream benefits available now on Spotify worldwide. Okay, kagaya na last year, latest vlog, yung Better Place stream na last year. Ngayon, 1 year na po. Yes, September 29 today. Ano, September 29, 2023, na inilabas ang song release ng boy band group Night ang NSYNC. Nagbabalik after 2 decades! Tagal! Last year, for the song Better Place. Better Place, Better Place, Better Place by NSYNC. Release ito ng 2023 last year. Nag-record pa lang ng March 2023. Wow! Ilang 6 months. Baka 2022 ba? 2020? Asa? 6 months. We have a members of NSYNC are Justin Timberlake, JC Chasez, Lance Bass, Joey Fatone, and Chris Kirkpatrick. Sa kanilang theme song ng pelikulang Trolls Band Together starring Anna Kendrick, Justin Timberlake, and Camila Cabello. Also nag-cast like Troye Sivan, and of course, it. 1 year na po ang kantayan. Ito, song release is under Arista Records or in USA, in Sony Music Entertainment Corporation. Sa Pilipinas, may Sony Music Entertainment. At sa UK. Kasi sa US yung release, tapos worldwide release yung kanta. Dahil yung mga radio station, FM1, Magic 89.9, at sa Monster RX 93.1 sa mga song release. Siyempre po ay 1 year na tayo about the song NSYNC. Sila naging nominado for Group of the Year sa Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards at MTV Video Music Awards, but lost to 17, yung K-pop boy band. And also, congratulations sa lahat ng mga NSYNC members at the staff ng Sony Music, Arista Records. Congrats and thank you. We love you so much. Spread the kindness, spread the heart, and we love you. The Trolls back together. Heart. 1 year na po. Yay! And thank you. And stream na pa rin sa mga social po yun. Sa digital platform. And stream na kahit 30 days. We love you. Happy anniversary! Better Place. Bye. And thank you for watching for our next vlog. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.